Good afternoon, gentlemen of the press. My name is Honorable Silvanus Emin Nwankwo. I represent Omuma State Constituency at the River State House of Assembly, and I'm also the minority leader of the 10th Assembly.
My name is Honorable Peter Abbey, JP, and I represent Degema State Constituency in the House of Assembly.
Gentlemen, you are all aware that the River State House of Assembly issued a notice of impeachment on the governor of River State, Sir similarly Fubara, and the deputy governor of River State. But we have called this press conference to appeal to our fellow colleagues to tamper justice with mercy and to see how we can resolve this matter apart from the impeachment proceedings. That is why we are here this morning to appeal to the conscience of our fellow colleagues, having listened to so many pleas, calls from our elders and leaders, both within and outside the state, begging for leniency. We are begging, calling our colleagues to reconsider our step and see how this matter can be resolved amicably, even though the governor and the deputy governor has infringed on the Constitution. But we are appealing on them to reconsider our stand. Thank you so much.
As the minority leader said, the governor, yes, he has infringed on parts of the Constitution, but we are human beings, and we as people, as members of the 10th Assembly, we want to plead with our colleagues to please reconsider. This, we have received calls from leaders, from people in River State, outside River State, and we see that you don't raise the axe and swing it as you raise it. So we plead with our colleagues to reconsider, to please reconsider, provided the governor too has a role to play. He too must make sure he doesn't infringe furthermore on the Constitution. So that will bring an amicable settlement to the whole thing. Thank you, and God bless you.